Hey beautiful people, welcome back to BJ's Hair TV, your normal stop for stylish hair inspiration. If you have short hair and want to look elegant and professional for work, you are in the right place. Today I am showing you top 10 professional hairstyles for short hair that are quick, easy and absolutely gorgeous. Let's go there. Sleek side part bob, perfect for straight or straightened hair. Use a flat iron for a smooth finish and part your hair to the side for a chic, polished look. The sleek side bob is simple, polished, and always professional. Straighten your hair, create a deep side part, and tuck one side behind your ear. A little shine serum take this look from simple to stunning. Ideal for client meeting and presentation. The next on the list for our top 5 professional hairstyles for short hair that are quick, easy, and absolutely gorgeous is low bun with side sweep. This one is one of the most timeless and elegant hairstyles you can wear. Start by parting your hair section across your forehead for that soft section classy look. Secure the rest into a neat low bun at the nape of your neck. Yes, at the nape of your neck. This style works beautifully for work, weddings, or formal events and is perfect for short to medium hair length. Yes, this style works perfectly, beautifully for work, weddings, or formal events and is perfect for short to medium hair length. As number 3, we have the coiled Pixie cut. The coiled Pixie cut is bold, stylish, and easy to maintain. Start with a clean pixie, then use a small coily one to add soft waves of tight coils for extra volume. Finish with a light old spray to keep the coil defined all day. It is perfect for both professional settings and special occasions. Classy yet effortlessly chic. That's called Pixie cut. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new here, kindly please press the subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification for you to get notified anytime a new video is uploaded on this channel. And the next one is the defined short afro. Show off your natural beauty with a defined short afro. Apply coil, cream, and a finger coil. Sessions for maximum definitions. Bold, beautiful, and unapologetically you. This style is so quick, easy, and absolutely gorgeous. And the last but not the least, the textured wave hairstyle. The textured wave hairstyle add movement to short hair with textured waves. Use a waver or a coiling iron, then loosen with your fingers for a natural, effortless look. So protect your short hair at night with a satin scarf or bonnet and moisturize regularly to maintain a healthy professional look. Thanks for watching. Which style was your favorite? Let me know in the comments section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more short hair inspiration. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.